Hi, so I am here to do an unboxing of a PINCHme box. This one was sent to me specifically as a blogger, influencer, content creator, but PINCHme is not exclusively for content creators. Anybody can sign up, and they have different like sample programs or like freebies that you can get. So definitely check it out if you're interested in trying new samples of products. But let's get into this and see what is in here. I know that it is beauty related, but that is really all that I know. Oh, it says game of the month. It has like a QR code to scan for a solitaire game. And then there is tissue paper. Okay. Natural Eyes Complete Eye Relief Fast Dissolving Tablets. You dissolve them under your tongue. I've never heard of an eye product that you would like digest like that. That's super interesting. Eva NYC. One of these is a shampoo and the other is a conditioner from the same line. There's kind of a lot in here. Kind of looks like Belief, but there is it's one letter off. So Aqua Bomb Brightening Vitamin C Cream. I don't know how to pronounce some of these. SADOER hand cream. Carmex Weather Guard Moisturizing Lip Balm enriched with cocoa butter. I've used other Carmex products before, but not this Weather Guard version. That's cool, and it is 30 SPF, which is nice. Miles Deodorant Rugged. No parabens, phthalates, aluminum, or animal testing. Clarent B3 Dark Spot Correcting Cream. I don't know how to pronounce this either. Ageo Argan Oil Extra Moisturizing Smooth Hair Mask. True Labs Hydrate and Organic Greens Electrolyte and Organic Greens Drink Mix. Oh, another Eva NYC product. This one is a hair mask. Some Downy Unstoppables. Body lotion. It's an anti-aging body lotion. Vitamasuous sheet mask, face mask. Moroccan Oil Moisture Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. Avocado Nicotinamide Hand Mask. I've never tried a hand mask. That's interesting. Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. Moroccan Oil Treatment. Pretty small, but it's an oil, so hair oils, you know, go pretty far. And one last mask from that same brand. This is an exfoliating foot mask. And just as a reminder, this one was beauty themed, but that is not all that PINCHme does. I've got snacks before, household items, cat treats. They really do quite a wide range of like categories of samples. So if like beauty skincare stuff isn't your thing, that doesn't mean that they won't have samples that you would still be interested in. So be sure to check them out.